allergies and autoimmune diseases have been on the rise, and you talk about that in the book and what the culprit is for that.
From classic contemporary scientific point of view, allergies is exaggerated antibody response to antigens in the environment. So that's what allergies are. But allergies are, of course, now very common. It's still the same thing. Overactive response from your immune system. So you don't need an overactive immune system that gives rise to allergies, autoimmune illness. If you have an underactive immune system, that makes you more susceptible to infection, possibly even cancer. So what you need is a fine-tuned immune system. And that happens with meditation also. It fine-tunes your immune system instead of making too active or too underactive. People think I need to have a very strong immune system. Wrong. If it's overactive, you'll get allergies and you'll also get autoimmune illnesses like arthritis, lupus, etc. So that's where meditation comes in. But also allergies these days are due to industrial food production, which has manufactured food, refined, too much sugar, antibiotics, hormones, chemicals, inflammatory products. So if you want to minimize allergies, eat organic food, maximize a plant-based diet. If you're eating meat, fish, poultry, then get it from a farm and not a factory. That's it.